Good readers use correct intonation or pitch as they read a story aloud. As you read, bring your voice down at the end of a statement, lift your voice up or make it a little higher at the end of a question. I'm going to read you the teacher read aloud called Christina's Work. Listen as I read. Christina's Work. Christina Rossetti was an author. She lived in England over 100 years ago. Christina's father was a poet, and she grew up surrounded by writers and artists. She began writing as a girl. As a young woman, Christina published poems in a magazine. However, she would not get the magazine permission to print her name on the poems. She used a made-up signature instead. As an adult, Christina became famous for her poetry. She often worked for a long time to choose exactly the right words for a poem. She also became famous for her strong beliefs. Christina tried to write different kinds of books. She tried to write a book about the life of one of her favorite authors. The book was incomplete, though. Christina felt she did not have enough information to finish it. Throughout her life, Christina always welcomed the chance to write poetry. She wrote poems about her beliefs and poems for children. Christina had many illnesses, but she kept writing. She became one of the most famous poets in England. People still enjoy her poetry today. Do you? I'm going to read you a few of her poems. The first poem is What is Pink? What is pink? A rose is pink. By the fountain's brink. What is red? A poppy's red in its barley bed. What is blue? The sky is blue, where the clouds float through. What is white? A swan is white, sailing in the light. What is yellow? Pears are yellow, rich and ripe and mellow. What is green? The grass is green, with small flowers between. What is violet? Clouds are violet in the summer twilight. What is orange? Why an orange? Just an orange. The next poem is How many seconds? How many seconds in a minute? 60 and no more in it. How many minutes in an hour? 60 for sun and shower. How many hours in a day? 24 for work and play. How many days in a week? 7 both to hear and speak. How many weeks in a month? 4 as the swift moon runneth. How many months in a year? 12 the almanac makes clear. I enjoyed her poems, did you? Who is Christina Rossetti? Why is Christina Rossetti famous? Which part of the poetry that I read to you did you like best?